torches and old oil cans and old, there's a farm oil can for those of you that have never seen one. We got a little air-cooled Galloway, should be another one. Water-cooled Galloway, another water-cooled Galloway. Is that a Stover? I don't know what that is. There's no markings on it. This one, this is a different design too. I don't recognize them. And there again, we'll do a background. There is a bunch of cans here. Now, there they got the horse. See the horse? That was on the windmills. Those are pretty valuable. They were pretty valuable. I haven't followed the market lately. Looks like a little LB John Deere in here. Custom paint. I don't know what that is. I think that's homemade. This would be a pump jack. A lot of times the verticals were pump jack engine. I wonder if that is a real International refrigerator. They made them. Yep. See that? International Harvester. They made a refrigerator and a freezer. Do you think the ones they have now are heavy? Yeah, they are. There's a story about that too, but maybe another day. Looks like a little headless. I like them little headless. Anyhow, see, he doesn't have a head, but anyhow, everything's off to the side. I think that's a little headless Fairbanks Model Z. I think it's a Model Z. Oh boy. Okay. Yeah, they don't have quite the selection in the background there. They got a post drill, odd wrenches, mobile can. We used one of those for a gas can where I grew up. Walk past some of this quick. Old McCullough chainsaw up there. A couple old Briggs. Big Fairbanks. Looks like a generator. Not sure what that is. Oh, darn. Anyhow, we'll do that again. Looks like a Wisconsin air-cooled, but I'm not sure. Little burr mill. Not sure what those two engines are. I don't know. I'm not that smart. Got that nice scale in the background. A bunch of scales up on the shelf. On the burr mill, coffee grinder. It's up on top shelf. More scales. I'll show you how old I am. That particular model of scale, I remember them in science class. Anyhow. Fairbanks Morris, the porcelain sign. Well, thank you.